Tawa. Ay, hindi kasama ang tawad yan. Walang tawad yan.
And they make it filled and satisfied. And the Israel first range, is planting. And the second range is maturing. Of the crop. And the first day is under the month of September to October. The second day is under the month late March to early April. And the first month. In Hebrew, meaning
First in time. Okay.
And it is also an Abib.
Abib.
And the former rain.
Yan ang maganda.
Former rain.
The latter rain.
In Hebrew, it is an archer. Meaning archer. Meaning to point, to teach. And it is also teacher of teaching. And the former rain is the season of teaching. Let us dive deep in our age. In our time, it is former rain
Now.
because it is teaching time. And later, after the former rain fall, latter rain will become
end time.
Hindi kasi malampas eh. Kaya
harvest. Because the latter rain is the harvest time.
Mainit yata ang tayo dyan.
Meaning, this two rain is
Binaba na sa English ba naman? Kahit nga hindi.
Mainit ang lagi din.
This two rain.
Ano ko to eh.
Kung ma-explain sa inyo po. Another to the Israel, yung type.
Welcome to the Israel. This type.
Welcome to Israel. It is type of the former is type of teaching first, and in type it is planting. In Israel.
Oh, first rain. Oh, no.
And in type, the type of planting in our time is teaching, and the second day is maturing of the crop. It is the type of latter rain that the day come, there will be a harvest time, and the both rain will not pour out in this age. Moreover, 20th century Pentecostal movement is not an early rain. And he say also that this both rain is not the fulfillment of the prophecy per se. And says,
Okay, that's all.
says in Jeremiah 3 verse 1, the Church of God can never have the latter rain. She will never be harvest. And the church according to Jeremiah 3:1, up to verse 3, the church, he has a worse forehead. And he has a name in the book of Revelation called her Mystery Babylon the Great, and the mother of harlots and abomination of the earth. In Revelation 17, verse 5. And the Lord sent us a transmitter on earth, which is the messengers. And the messengers came with the message that will turn our hearts to our fathers in Malachi 4, verse 5 to 6. Dun, in Pentecostal Apostolic Fathers.
Okay, that's all.
Pentecostal.
Okay.
The seven church ages, Father Branham, he delivered this message. And the true saints are restored, and they come back to their homeland. And
That's all.
that's all. Yeah, that's all.